Are you excited for math today?
Yeah.
Good. I'm
Okay.
glad. All one of us.
Me
two
too.
of us. Good.
Oh, I am too.
Oh,
Oh,
good.
don't forget me.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
All right. How many of you have ever opened a package of Skittles and wondered which color you have the most of?
Oh, all the time. I count them specifically and have to divide them up in their appropriate colors.
Oh, wow.
And then I get to eat them in a certain color order.
Yes,
Red
I
goes
know you're
last.
very particular. Yes. All right. So how did you figure out which one you had the most of?
And like I just said, I put them in groups and then I eat the best ones last.
So did you just count them, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's.
Well, guess
how
what?
else are you gonna do that?
Guess what? There's an easy way we can do this by making a bar graph to see which color we have the most of. How does that sound? Super fun.
Not really. But we'll try it.
We'll try it. Good attitude. I like your attitude.
Oh, thanks. Can I
Okay.
get a star?
Maybe later.
Okay.
That's the last lesson we did. All right, let's review a couple of math concepts that we've learned to make sure that you're ready to be super awesome and ready to go for this math lesson. Sound good?
I guess so.
All right, so let's go through them together. Remember when we were making pictographs earlier? Remember?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Our other teacher taught us that.
Oh yeah, that was really cool.
I know.
Back to back math lessons.
Whoop whoop.
All right, so let's go through the steps to make a pictograph. What was the first step we had to do?
Well, we had to determine what we were going to use.
Yeah, what we're going to use. And what do we have to do? We had to pick all of the same, we had to group objects together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that we would know how many of each one we had.
Yeah.
Then what was next?
We counted them.
We counted them, and then what do we do after we counted them?
See which one's more.
Well, how? Did you just,
You look at it.
you had to look at it. You had to draw them on the board, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So once you draw them on the board, you could compare which one had more or less, right?
Right.
Right. All right, so why do you think it's important for us to learn how to draw pictographs or bar graphs?
So we can compare things. Duh.
All right, good. All right. All right, so now that we reviewed, let's get started. Today we're going to be using different objects to make our graphs. So get
Okay.
excited.
I am.
I knew it.
Stoked.
We're going to be using similar steps to the pictograph, so you're already halfway knowing what to do. Sound good?
Sound good.
All right, the first objects that we're going to use are what?
I don't know what that is.
Paper clips.
Oh, those are paper clips. I knew what that
Silly.
was. I was just teasing you.
Silly goose. All right. So we're going to be
Fancy,
counting
teacher,
paper clips.
fancy.
So we have a paper clip bar graph.
She even has magnets. She's prepared.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Okay. Actually, we're going to lay it down. So here's what it looks like. We're going to lay it down because guess what? We have to lay our stuff on top of it. Watch. Okay. Okay. So we're going to group the first thing we're going to do is we're going to group our paper clips. What do you think we should group them by?
Well, you could do size, you could do color.
Well, they're all the same size. So can we group them by size?
What? Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah, why would you think that?
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Well, let's group them by colors. Okay.
Like Skittles.
Like Skittles. We're gonna
That's
group
what I
them.
do. Did I already tell you that?
You did. You
Oh.
did. We're gonna group them by color right here.
Except for from
First, and it's important. It's important that we actually know which. Right, Tilly? It's important that we actually know which color groups that or what we're dividing them by. So color's important. So because we all want to be on the same page when we're making our graphs, right?
Right.
All right. So how many colors we have?
3.
Now, what do you think it is, Mike?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 colors in 4 piles. So what we're gonna do is we divide them into groups first. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 1 paper clip per box. So
Oh,
we
yeah,
got-
that's easy enough.
All right, so blue's next. So we're just gonna put 1 per box.
You put 2 in that box.
Oh, good call. You got to make sure you're not putting 2 per box, otherwise it messes our count up, and
Yeah.
our graph won't be right. We don't want that.
That wasn't in the box. Okay.
Not left-handed stuff, right?
I am.
You are. Oh, I bet you all are, aren't
I'm
you?
perfect at it.
All of you.
All of us are left-handed. Every single
All right.
one.
See how we did this? We put each paper clip in their box.
Oh, yeah,
And
that's
only the same
beautiful,
color. It is
teacher.
beautiful. Thank
Good
you.
job. High five for you.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Thank you, Nutty. Okay, so we have 1 paper clip per box. And only the same color can be in the same colum, right?
Well, right.
Right.
That
Okay.
makes sense.
So that's what a pictograph looks like, right? So
Yeah.
but we want to make bar graphs. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our crayon. So here's a red crayon. And we're going to color as many boxes as we have paper clips. So color to the top line where the paper clips are. And you can move them out of the way as you color. And you're going to color all the way down.
Is that orange?
It's red orange. 10 calories. Crayola box.
Wow.
All right. And so you color all the way to the top line. You see how we do that?
I did any problems. Yeah.
All right. So our next color is going to be blue.
Okay.
So we'll color for every paperclip we have. We can color a
That's
a
blue.
box. Again, Crayola. All right. So see how we colored all the way to the top line?
Yep.
Okay.
Next to yellow.
Yellow. All right. So how many boxes are we going to color?
2.
2, because we have 2 paper clips. So only color how many ever boxes we have of paper clips.
Yeah.
And last, we have green. And so we'll color all the way to the third, because we have 3 boxes filled with paper clips. So look at that bar graph. Wow.
Beautiful, teacher.
Why do you think we call
You
it a
should be
bar
a
graph?
professional colorer.
Why do you think we call it a bar graph? What do these look like?
Bars.
Bars, right? And something cool, if you look at the numbers next to it, it'll tell you how many we have. So how many yellows did we have? We go straight across from the line and get
2.
how many blues?
4.
Yeah. How many reds?
4 again.
Not
Oh,
4.
4
1,
and a half.
2, 3, 4.
4
Oh, it lines
five,
up with
5. 5.
And green is
3.
3. Good job. All right. And so which one has the most?
Red.
Which one has the least?
Yellow.
Awesome. So this is just a quick and easy way to tell how many of each object there is, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's
Moving
move on to our next object. You ready?
Yeah, I am so ready.
All right. We're going to be using. Oh man, I bet somebody's gonna get excited about this one. Let's see. What are we gonna use?
Coins.
Coins.
Who's excited and why?
Cause. Never mind.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Just gonna not.
So what's the first thing that we need to do?
Well, we need to group them.
Okay, so let's group them. Let's put all of them in the groups.
That's not right.
Why is that not right?
You just put colors.
Was that what we want to do? You think that's the best way to divide our groups up?
No.
No, why not?
Because then you're gonna just have 2 groups, and we want to be specific.
I'm going to be specific. So what should we
Yeah,
divide them by?
Pacific.
Pacific.
Yeah.
Pacific.
Pacific.
Exactly. All right, so what should we divide them by instead?
Maybe by their name.
Okay, so we got pennies,
We got quarters.
nickels,
I said quarters.
there's the quarters,
And dimes.
and there's the dimes. There. We got 4 groups again, right?
Right.
All right, so what's the first
Is this
thing
real money?
Yep,
Can I have some for lunch?
that's what I thought you were going to be excited about.
How about some milk money?
Yeah, we could share the money later. We'll put it in our class collection.
No, I want it for myself.
Okay, well, we may need to share. We'll have an ice cream party later. Don't worry.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay.
I'm game.
Okay, good.
Me too.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what's next? Now that we've put them all into groups, what's
We
next?
put them in their boxes.
Put them in their boxes. So fill the boxes with the coins.
Keep going. There you go. Next we have nickels, and then dimes. Yeah.
And
Quarters.
quarters. All right, good job. So now what
So
do we do?
have lots of pennies.
Well, what should we do first? We're not done with our bar graph yet.
Oh yeah, we have to color.
Color. Okay.
I like coloring.
Oh, good.
It's therapeutic.
Good. All right. Remember, we color as many boxes as we have for each coin. Okay.
Okay.
So we got our pennies. Do our nickels.
Okay.
How many boxes should we color for our dimes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Ooh, that's a lot, isn't it?
Not
Yeah.
really. There was a lot more pennies.
You're right. There were a lot more pennies. We can use our graph to tell us that, can't we?
Yep.
All right.
That's what I
and
did.
last one is quarters. How many boxes?
4.
4.
$1. Oh, that's
Wow,
$1.
that is
I could go to the snack
excellent.
machine.
Yes. Remember ice cream party?
Cheetos.
Crunchy, not puffs.
Yes, crunchy. That's the only way to go.
Only way to go. All
Very
right.
disgusting.
So how many
Tastes
pennies
like
do we
air.
have?
6.
6. How many quarters do we have?
4.
4. So go all the way across and look at the lines. Good job. Which one has the most?
The pennies.
The pennies and least?
Nickels.
Good job.